Welcome to another pickup test, pickup jack. This time it's the XX wireless magnetic microphone pickup. It's a active humbucker that comes with an inbuilt microphone and a blend device here and a volume wheel here. And with an USB port here at the pickup, and it comes with a USB. Here is the other part. You see I plugged it into an DI box, that's all. And this is also rechargeable by an USB port here. So, nice one. No cables, nothing, but if you prefer using a cable for the pickup, there's a plug here at the pickup and it comes with that cable. I played it at various gigs up to 5 hours and had no problem with running empty of the pickup. So, of the batteries. And here it sounds like what it sounds like compared to a good quality studio microphone in that guitar. Now, the microphone alone. Now I have blended in the microphone to its full amount, so it's the pickup and the internal microphone.